Hey travelers, dreaming of a vacation that doesn't break the bank? Ever wondered how to enjoy an incredible trip without spending a fortune? From saving on accommodations to scoring the best travel deals, planning a budget-friendly getaway is easier than you think. Want to know the secrets to traveling smart? Join us as we dive into the top 10 things to do when planning a budget-friendly vacation. Trust us, you'll be packing your bags in no time. Set a realistic budget and stick to it. Planning a vacation starts with creating a solid budget. Begin by identifying how much you can comfortably spend without straining your finances. Break it down into categories such as transportation, accommodations, food, activities, and souvenirs. This step ensures you have a clear picture of your financial boundaries, helping you avoid overspending during your trip. Prioritize your expenses based on what matters most to you. Maybe you're fine with budget-friendly flights but want a comfortable hotel. Or perhaps you'd rather splurge on activities while saving on meals. By assigning value to each category, you can allocate your budget accordingly and create a personalized spending plan. Look out for hidden costs that can derail your finances, such as baggage fees, resort charges, or unexpected taxes. Planning ahead means fewer surprises down the road. Keep a buffer in your budget for emergencies or spontaneous experiences, giving you peace of mind while you travel. Sticking to your budget doesn't mean sacrificing fun. It's about making mindful choices. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your spending before and during your trip. Knowing where every penny goes keeps you in control and lets you fully enjoy your vacation without worrying about the aftermath. Book your trip during off-peak seasons. Timing is everything when it comes to affordable travel. Off-peak seasons, when fewer tourists are visiting your chosen destination, offer a golden opportunity to save big. Whether it's reduced airfare, lower hotel rates, or discounted activities, traveling during these periods can slash your expenses significantly. Research the best off-season times for your destination. For instance, tropical getaways might be cheaper during the rainy season, while ski resorts are more affordable in the warmer months. Not only will your wallet thank you, but you'll also enjoy fewer crowds and a more relaxed atmosphere. Keep an eye on local events or holidays that could affect prices. Even during off-peak times, a major festival or celebration can drive up costs. Planning your trip around these dates ensures you're maximizing savings while still getting an authentic travel experience. Flexibility with your travel dates can make all the difference. Consider flying midweek or at odd hours, as these flights are often cheaper. Being open to slightly altering your itinerary ensures you get the best deals while maintaining a fulfilling travel experience. Use travel rewards and loyalty programs. Travel rewards are your best friend when planning a budget-friendly vacation. Frequent flyer programs, hotel loyalty points, and travel credit card rewards can cover significant portions of your trip. If you're not already signed up, now's the time to dive into the world of travel perks. Many credit cards offer sign-up bonuses, allowing you to rack up points just by meeting a spending threshold. Use these points for free flights, hotel stays, or upgrades. If you frequently travel with a specific airline or stay at certain hotel chains, join their loyalty programs to earn even more rewards. Combine your points with other deals for maximum savings. For instance, redeem airline miles during sales periods or use hotel points to book off-peak stays. Travel rewards often have blackout dates, so plan well in advance to avoid missing out on the best redemption options. Don't forget about lesser-known benefits like discounted car rentals, access to airport lounges, or free travel insurance. These perks not only save you money, but also enhance your travel experience, making your budget-friendly vacation feel a bit more luxurious. Choose budget-friendly accommodations. Finding affordable accommodations doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. Explore options like hostels, vacation rentals, or budget-friendly hotels to cut down on costs. If you're open to unique experiences, consider staying in a homestay or swapping houses with another traveler. Vacation rentals, such as apartments or Airbnb properties, are great for groups or families. They often come with kitchens, allowing you to save on dining out by preparing your meals. Plus, you'll enjoy more space and a homier vibe than a standard hotel room. Hostels have evolved beyond the backpacker stereotype. Many now offer private rooms, free Wi-Fi, and even organized activities. They're an excellent way to meet other travelers while keeping your accommodation costs low. Look for reviews to ensure the place aligns with your comfort levels and preferences. Don't overlook loyalty programs or last-minute deals. Many hotel chains offer discounted rates to members or drop prices closer to check-in dates to fill vacant rooms. With a little research and flexibility, you can snag accommodations that fit your budget perfectly. Plan your meals wisely. Dining out can quickly eat up your budget if you're not careful. Save money without compromising on flavor by planning your meals strategically. Research local markets and food stalls where you can enjoy authentic cuisine at a fraction of the restaurant's prices. Cooking your own meals, especially if you're staying in a vacation rental with a kitchen, is a huge money saver. Visit local grocery stores for ingredients and try your hand at regional recipes. It's not only cost-effective but also a fun way to immerse yourself in the local culture. For those times you do eat out, opt for lunch specials or prix-fixe menus, which are often more affordable than dinner options. Sharing dishes or ordering smaller portions can also help reduce costs, while letting you sample more flavors. Drinks and desserts can inflate your dining bills, so consider limiting them to special occasions. Instead, grab a coffee or treat from a local bakery to enjoy on the go. By being mindful of your meal choices, you'll satisfy your taste buds and keep your wallet happy. Opt for free or low-cost activities. Experiences don't have to come with a hefty price tag to be unforgettable. Many destinations offer free or low-cost activities that let you immerse yourself in the local culture without breaking the bank. Research your destination in advance to uncover hidden gems, scenic spots, and community events that don't cost a dime. Take advantage of nature's offerings like hiking trails, beaches, parks, or picturesque walking routes. Not only do these activities allow you to enjoy the beauty of your surroundings, but they also promote relaxation and connection with the destination. Some cities even have free walking tours led by knowledgeable guides who share fascinating stories and insider tips. Museums and historical sites often offer discounted or free entry on certain days. If you're a student, teacher, or senior citizen, don't forget to check for additional concessions. Cultural festivals, live music performances, and street art exhibits are also excellent ways to soak in the local vibe without spending much. For travelers looking to stay active, consider renting bikes or exploring with free fitness classes in public spaces. Budget-friendly doesn't mean being boring. These experiences create meaningful memories while keeping your wallet intact. Be smart about transportation. Transportation can quickly eat into your budget if not managed wisely. To save, start by comparing flight prices using online tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner. Flexibility with your departure and arrival dates can uncover significant savings, so keep your options open. Once you've reached your destination, prioritize public transportation. Buses, subways, and trams are not only cheaper than taxis, but also provide a glimpse into the daily life of locals. Many cities offer discounted travel cards or unlimited ride passes, which are especially useful for extended stays. Walking and cycling are fantastic ways to explore a new place while cutting transportation costs. You'll discover hidden gems that are often missed when traveling by car or train. For longer distances, consider rideshare apps or carpooling services to split costs with fellow travelers. For international travel, budget airlines or long-distance buses can be economical options. However, watch out for hidden fees such as luggage charges or boarding surcharges, and always read the fine print to ensure the savings are worth it. Shop smart for souvenirs. Souvenirs are a lovely way to remember your trip, but they don't have to blow your budget. Skip the overpriced gift shops at tourist hotspots and instead explore local markets, street vendors, or artisan fairs. You'll often find unique, handmade items at a fraction of the price. Focus on meaningful souvenirs rather than generic trinkets. Think of local specialties like spices, coffee, or small handicrafts that reflect the culture of the place. These items not only make great gifts for loved ones but also support local artisans and businesses. Set a clear budget for souvenirs before you start shopping. It's easy to get carried away in the excitement of discovering new treasures. Carry cash in small denominations to help you stick to your limit and avoid unnecessary splurges. For the ultimate budget-friendly memento, consider collecting memories instead of objects. Take photos, journal about your experiences, or pick up free items like postcards or maps that can be turned into keepsakes later. Leverage technology to save money. Your smartphone can be a powerful tool for saving money while traveling. Download apps like Hopper or Kayak to monitor flight deals and find the cheapest travel days. Apps like Hotel Tonight or Hostelworld can help you score last-minute accommodation discounts. For dining, apps like Yelp or Google Maps can guide you to highly rated, budget-friendly restaurants. If you're cooking your own meals, check local grocery store apps for coupons and discounts. Similarly, ride-hailing apps often have promotions or ride-share options to cut transportation costs. Currency conversion apps and mobile banking tools ensure you're not overpaying for currency exchanges or ATM fees. Always check for no foreign transaction fee credit cards to save on international purchases. Offline maps and translation apps like Google Translate help you navigate and communicate without expensive data charges. By using technology wisely, you can make smarter spending decisions while enjoying a seamless travel experience. Pack light and avoid extra fees. Packing strategically can save you money and stress. Start by choosing a lightweight, versatile wardrobe that allows for mix-and-match outfits. Limiting your luggage to a carry-on can help you avoid checked bag fees, which can quickly add up, especially on budget airlines. Invest in travel-sized toiletries and reusable containers to stay within liquid limits for carry-ons. This not only saves space but also eliminates the need to buy full-sized products during your trip. Packing essentials like a refillable water bottle, snacks, and a small medical kit can also reduce unnecessary expenses. Leave some room in your luggage for souvenirs or last-minute purchases. Overpacking often leads to excess baggage fees, so resist the temptation to bring everything. Opt for multi-purpose items like a scarf that doubles as a blanket or a jacket that fits various climates. By packing light, you'll have the flexibility to move around easily, whether it's hopping on public transport or navigating crowded streets. Fewer bags mean less hassle and more freedom to enjoy your budget-friendly adventure. And there you have it. 10 foolproof ways to plan an amazing vacation without breaking the bank. With these tips in your travel toolkit, you can turn your dream trip into a reality while staying on budget. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow travelers, and subscribe to Explore Edge. Hit that bell icon to stay tuned for more budget-savvy travel tips. Until next time, happy exploring and safe travels.